to nebo you know what dress and what dress or sculptor one minute yet said ye who come baby to say a Bruno mini a dear at center ye minute ye synchronano ye enomine you know and yama woman hono when ya but na 1 minute you who are pan minute you know sometimes we jina na you know show about we jina wa we say when ya me we artistically inclined you know categorically vivaciously stupendously you know magniferously and you know brother auntie brother because we make Kenyam somewhere edibro fuka kre fem what you say what you say yeah Kenyam ya den fanchira man opay ye wa nyene nipa no and we chi ho etu o shek for Higher Vision 1 93.5 FM. Imamuna kwaba ediba jumedi so. Na Michelle Bradian William Emamuna William Wunshira Mona wanting a nim emfa enchire Muna na onsere enche obi a hwe wo Facebook live no the main page no na osafunya bedru anu a page no de amame na what tag you everybody you know na yentime enya adwuma emfama tiasefo no na ewiebre ne ewomu ye wa ahunhyesie ene atwen yem ye sere bonyame dom na wasiesie ne manfo ne na safo sade efisofo ma etenum yimu ayaduonu ensia ne nso ne kan ye no wose wode asam no ebe ohuru ye ho esensuo na se wopiena no anyamu a edem enkeka efi adie bie ni wosa ebewo ayi nasafo ho adwuma a wo ye no adwuma so enano pemi emfafiri Lucas Peter yadu no ba ko yimu yadu asandan esi yadu asensia Luke chapter 21 verse number 34 to 36 even joy ni se kokobo ima kekami etia brothers
na monhwam ho yie na potwa ne nsabro ne nkwan mu dadwene ho ene ha ho niama anhya makoma so
read
na edana metum mpofiri mu hyefidie eba wana otete asase nyina ni nyina so enti monwa na monsra da ne manya hoɔden de adwane afiri niama abeba mu nyina emu na makogina onipa ba no enim
ina sibebre absia for mo mama enano ya boda me ba na me catch reverend and I also say due to the many calls about concerning relationship and marriages no e ka wonti na brade nso dia to me home so as you know osura hini no ya hweyi a ne kuro no sakraman kitten no ebetimi aye you know hini no ebetimi abo ibetimi abo etino ena yeye ayia na yetimi aye laugh talk yedi siesie nyame emma akoma ipesa wote ase awade boni betimi ede wakobonsam jemso na ote asonde I'm telling you awade boni ayonkofa boni ebetimi de wakobonsam jem enso tienie na wo ye sofo. Now yes, of mame. There are certain things I am not careful. Who told from say Tim sorry you. About the bonnier say ni pa bebre akoma. About the bonnier say ni pa bebre ejidie ameni pa bebre ejidie to from enti we are anka sama brade dia mamia. Now we laugh talk you know nke two opposite things but the idea brade de asasam na suma me no is because what the says akoma no na what the alternative yakwan na yetimi anante atemponim yetimi aso awrade ani na ya mane ankotokum obi a waba Facebook me de nidie ebe siremu na nidie kwan so me pesa wo share page no e ma me wa sha san share ni bio na yentimi nya awrade adwuma no pay emfa na srani no ene wonyam tie ni ye ni yentimi nya sade wo kan Proverbs chapter number 30 verse number 19 was your kwode ye kwan na miwe mu obema kwan e da wo ba ho kan kan ho na me
was your kwode ye kwan ewie owo kwan obotan so
owo kwan na mbotan mu
ehyen kwan
epum enampum
ene oberema kwan
na obema de wo kwan
ababa ho
eda ababa wa ho tie ni ye eti so obi si so no ka kire me se enini mu so obewade a em se se nipa mintimi hunu ade kuranti a sa ade na timi aba be hye ni mu e wo se bi e de ni hia wo forest bible kase na ye bompa ma forest bible kase fu na me chia mo na opei alabasta fu na nso mitwa mo puruse
Minua Bema Pan Yonko, Menena Boyonko for a long time. Reverend Felix Nano for Subuahine, and now was your birthday. Happy birthday to you. I'm sure for Sanka Yima.
Or Cordia Quine.
Cordia Quine. And a Derium.
Or what quine?
Or what quine? And Motem.
A shell quine.
And a sham quine that
or Perma quine.
Or Bema Bia quine.
A papa.
A Tababa. I just say, yeah, Papa no software. One more asafun chila chila say, young mare, and no dear yet here. So do we come up to be a celibate, or if somebody goes into celibacy, there is a profound understanding to that. But say Bema to me sorry catch them and say, me dim fish here be a nine, but me near Tinkabia, and was say to me do tumpa boom fish bibia tochema. If it's a Bema dear, quine da baba waho, Nenso kwanya, washishan, yes, da baba waho, and you sorry ya, na wo to pacotia, somewhere ye beke ye, and yes, da baba waho, anti, at perfumia, ne will be poor, maba was so, and maba wants to the any muhuna man, and yet, yeah, and then me pursue be a radio, be a volume, and some dear, I no pay a breath away, we move a view, maybe pay 2 weeks, I'm yet tea, our dear young Kofan Komo, near the Tutu Yegidia, wo Christo mono, and so on near her, say, a dear bra, entry hinted you, and Pese, which has some ye pa, is going to be a blessing unto us. Say, Bema quite, Edda, Ababa, one dia, and what's here to me, Erenia, maybe can Hebrews, chapter number 13, verse number, verse 4, no, or say, 1 year, what ye Brofun is a marriage is honorable in all, and the marriage bed undefiled, but homongers and adulterers, God will destroy. King verse 4, no, very quickly.
Was 1 year, what ye
City, our dear pano, you move him more monam, we didn't machina mukrun machi, and opemuntia semni, as some panwa with us on, you move. Mumbe Brown Martimico for Bafu Fronada and Ababa, Wawade Paso. Unni buo menya mini buo ma oyere ti asem ni obema pa foforo mi be fa wo kunum paso say eni eni wo anafaria afri wani so. I'm talking to you. It may have said here, our the bonny say, great people or watch here. I don't want to shop, but now what the end if you me pese odi an obrasie ne wodwo agi asem a ye te o mo betimi age won kwa he James chapter 1 verse number 21 or ka asem bi wo ho asem a ye te na no pay e betimi age won kwa ka ho mamtie
enti munye efie
If ade yo
munye fie ene emro so nyina ntotwene
if ade yo kan ye
ene bone enti munye efi
repeat that word is the integral word. It is the most integral word. If AFI no kan ye me nko
enti munye efi ade yo
good
ene bone emro so nyina ntotwene
bone emro so na yi totwene
na momfa odwo
enya asem a agi asem a ye te wo mu a e betimi age wo kra no ti asem ni ye asem a ye ka no pe betimi age wo nkwa John chapter 15 verse 2 and 3 o say asem a ya ka kire mu ntama mo ho afi asem ni timi manipa ho fi ade no a ye keka no ano etimi de ahofire ebre nipa ehwe awurade anu me pese me bobo so na me keka ade betimi age wo etimi je won pa ti asem ni there is a revelation here. The word is powerful, sharper than every two-edged sword. It cuts to the separation of the spirit and soul, as of the bone and marrow. It is a discerner of thoughts and the intents of the heart. Yeah, it will be on my way a president, will be on my way MP, will be on my assemblyman, will be on my way governor, will be a senator, will be a preacher, will be a pulpiteer, will be on more where you a kunu, nemuka, where you my bedman, and I want Wagasan, or Yenny. Na kama yet ni fie nya na when na make sense to say wo nipa bia sisu na ufie nya baabi anye oh yeah usisu na ufie nya baabi anye Tiger Woods ekotwempena empena twe nkwa 14 women no no mo twempena Tiger Woods empena twe na Ghana for die Tiger Woods mpena twe no ya Tiger kotwe ye ema 4 years ago ne ho ba some 4 years ago say ade American credit 10 years edi sabra some American na me London na Abrantie kotwe mpena na yere che no na ne yere che no na mpenafo na ba out. Say, you know, I'm going to say about what woman said, dear you, but it's our generation. I ain't fed ya, you know, be deep on and what you're pony and safua, or one walk could draw to me cancer, or no about, just say, type what you compare text messages, no many idea. If I want tiger, shower, to say tiger or mancasa. Tiger or mankasa 14 women may say Tiger Woods yiri jina su jana wade Abrantie tuka no de akoba wo mu o tuka no de akoba ha ena na police ache no for obi ananka wotimi hit ball from hole 1 yeah ball 18 holes first hole or strike or tee free a year straight into the hole e ade bi anyame de che no enti o share green coat no and I said the green jacket or share no yeah golf mu ye kase obi she green jacket e just say we pro mu pro we you know PJ no or yet the top of the pro Tiger or at a very young age na nyame de saade ne che empratwe masam ni masam you know brafonia ko hwibrenti saade no kukuru ni say from team 5 years cause 6 years now what cases were caught no many idea prosecute fortune drink driving and all stuff like that. These were the things that he was dealing with cause last year that Tiger Samba back to course. What they back 5 years ago or try when we need one say. Now the training kekese on any now for 4 on a course or be he take but whole new into muda. Whole na that way into muda. It mo from ado do sankrama na no pe muntie ni ye won se wadwuma na ekofom ade bi won mo ni ye me be kansem kakra de achobre volume no man ngosoro ebre ti na me asem na ba na wie wo Facebook a share page no obi a wonim obi a wo be se wo pese wo yire nso pese wo no wotweba tag na me kasem you know ye hu be fam so akanse ndi onya wo na wo kasa asem no tag na ma men kasem ketu bi mfa nchire se nipa no because one you ya baby a be ko wo mpe. It was only last year na Tiger be winning tournament. This year Tiger and the friends raised $20 million for the fight of coronavirus. 20 of just one tournament. Omu raised $20 million because unyamia restore no. But from Swoby on one kanya yank 1 year. And my baby one my woman tell and pay ya winya ya some from so one yeah. I would the woo we are non kawanye. If he said the ya bibribe abrew edi kutwa bibri ababra to ho abrantie bi tie me no paya onyaya sa sister no wo fa no nka wamfa no enti na me pese wuti asem ni bia no pay ma me pa who can go Genesis chapter 2 na everybody asem o ka asem bi from verse number 18 you know o ka say nye se woni panko betena se me bone se subu afọ kan free 18 no fa bra from here there na
erade nyankopon ka say anya so nipa nko tena
anya se wo nipa nko abetena
me ye ne sasoboafo
me be ye ne sasoboafo de ama no ya kan bra fam
nyankopon de dote anwunu wiamu mu adoma ne ewiamu mu anyina ne oni ne na ode wan bre onipa nkyɛn sadia obɛfrɛ wɔn na onipa no sadia ofrɛ abodie bia no ɛno ara ne din ene onipa toto ntɔteboa ewiamu noma wuramu emu adoma nyina din na nso onipa de wanya ne boafo a ofata ama no verse 21 the wadi nyankopon ama na ho to nipa no so
o man na ho beto ne so
na wadai wo yin
pade ba ko na wode nwini wo kan bra fam
nyankopon de empade o free nipa menyi no ba
empade no wo yi free wo nipa ni mo
ɔde nyino ba
wode nwini wo tie yi wankase wode bo wo ba you know Akankasano is the most simplest language out of the 52 languages in Ghana. Sakasa we unze ukobe biya wa Ghana ha ubi kana kakra. Eyem rechen kasa biya wa. Wankasa wade bo wade ngene waba. That is why waba jina wa wutimu say yes. The only shape kuran wo jina wa or all the curves, the hips, the butts, the boobs, the you know onyamengene ye yehuwa we a serious guy. Tia sama make catch no. You know, Pastor say, as my we can say what he has here. When I can the true anchor, you know, Yan say, what they do, we a true we make us some lady actually. Tiasem pa. When I mean, and what bar, one more, 1 minute, what tone, bo escoped it was a sculpturing work. Anyway, a man who mama volume in Gosro, a cousin pana diachelo. We yan wo, ya shed down wo. Which in our will say yes. Yan. I'm telling you, we demand and chia. Baby, I will be copy no brother umpe. If we say yan woman, ya mama keke, yan woman, you were tonebo, you know what dress and what dress it, or sculptor and or sculptor. 1 minute yet to say, yeah, who come baby to say a Bruno Mania dear a center, ye sing Kunyano, and nominate, you know, and near my woman or hono, when ya but now 1 minute, you who are pan minute. You know, sometimes we not you know, show a bar with Gina when I may were artistically inclined, were you know, categorically, vivaciously, stupendously, you know, magniferously, and you know, brother Antibur of Fana, because of my Remanimsa, making them somewhere, Edinburgh Fuka Krefem, what should I say? Huh? What should I say? I Remanimsa. Yay. Tiania, Ganyamia, didn't find Chilamano pay. You want Yenny Nipano, and which you was Shekaban was a yes, was share you know, and the night outfit, no was a yes, or your casual was a yes, you was shared the power, and you know, 1 year no, and which you know. Obi on her, me say, what baby on my original now, Henna Nim never seek a show, but to my beginning now, dear man, because Yanyanum. And you didn't a taxi driver, the car cobo bopomu, a kosher got a money idea. Well, her sister no, and so I didn't say Yankee, the car kosher got a mua, who were ban, the car kosher got a mua, make us be a volume, let us have near gas. Be a move. Assembly, what should I say? It can't assembly. I'm telling you, sometimes they not, you know, and I do me Nantana because of all night in here. Now you're Kobe, now here, you know, police for duty. Now we have a baby in our woman chain. Now, Obidi Bibi could come a woman who because Yanin will be in an enemy. What did they make at you? It means say prosinia journey. Yeah, be a volume to make us a volume. You know, Yanin ni page in an enemy. And yet nipa ye born a keke. Ya nene tree Bible no ye very very deep na. You know it is one language and come can chudo and kabe hamachune. Ya nene nipa pa ene jina ho. Ne nim na chi ne nchemu you shena ne nim due you know said na no ya wadamba make sure that kan oba ne be ka oba ne descriptive definition and the abchiro na ya go into the illustrative depiction of a woman. Now you're dealing with the, you know, the vivacious specifications of a woman. Yeah, you know, what they say, any panic per count. Now, and this will be a one. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, you will make it. So I repeat this. The first anesthetic surgery that was done, he administered the anesthesia. Emma and Hobi Tony Panaso. Emma Yehua Emma ne die. Now was ye piania, were ye empadiano, every one you punch him. Now what the enam etria anem. Yehua the empadiano, were ye, you know. And dear Ben, my God. My God, oba. Tianye, what you preaching, sir? It mean Yamuntia San Kamunto and some more bad. I'm telling you, Yanin ni papa, and Wujina ho, intellectually, you know, cognitively, or you're very intelligent, and Wujina ho, or you're astute being, or you're such a prolifically inclined, sculpted being. Ya nyene no and would you know? Tia semni ye pa. I'm telling you the word of the Lord. It you know on one obekan who has some Proverbs chapter 31 from verse number 10 was what ye pa wine ne benya nibo dine as a papa. I'm talking to you. He was likening a woman to precious minerals and was say untimin fanen to tia semni yo what they obey to skakoko ho dita egetabna you know abnambo apopo bibrebo anenchamuo and so was wuntimi emfa wobanto to no. You cannot compare a woman to a topaz, to a tanzanite, to an amethyst, to a beryl, to a crystal, to diamonds. Wuntimi emfa nto to no. If you say you wash it up and one no one money keke na nyene no what asma me no okay read the home to there some
what's why you pa
go
one the benya go and so ne boy asene
sawa pano ne boy tini chen anwene pa
ni kura kuma dan so
ye wasi ni kunu na kuma dan so
na sia de ade ehia no
sia de ehu hia ni kunu ta
ye no yie
obsawo ba no so oba wo life mu a wo so obeye wo de ye
obeye wo yie
obeye wo de
obeye wo yie
obeye wo de
obeye wo yie
for how long won kwanena e was your kan ho
was na onye ne boni biara
onye obone
ne nkwa
se wunya wo papa na ne tia you'll be amazed the kind of input and the tianium kasamo fanchero munde mayasi hia mu enti fiti ya na wotoko ame kasama chiro o say oyire pa. He has made a categorization of the woman he is talking about. So out of the lot, he has been able to distinguish and singled out a cloud or a category of them. You know, songs of one. A career woman, but you will be amazed that she is also a phenomenal homemaker. Now push the reading. King Hamem to read us. They're being repeating. I don't have time for that. You know, trust free home. Read the word.
Odwene kuntu ani asawa.
Na
odene sey adwuma
fefe. This is the woman I am talking about. Odene sey adwuma ofel. They are not the people that are waiting to omo hemu babeje ahemu fo no omo ye different categories. Ye wo ma hodo 13 ahodo sa dumiensa e wo babru mu. De wo dikan wo friend wo ba sansani wo kwa kokodru wo ba kwasia ofre obi oba obebi ofre obi obedwamanfo ofre obi obekushini okeka ya koye obebi won ma wo so ye obefidie nyame adma ya wode ba ye bebupo we no so se be ya wo pebi sayira wo betimi ehunu ne ye fa no sayire de ye ne nyamne ne ne tena ti asem ne ye ne ne bobra enye wo mu na ne wo mu bobra ye wo no mu ye ne wo mu yoyo ene ye wo mu ye ne wo mu bobra maka asem na de a kiro wo ye badwuma mu ani na ho nye sa obekuto fidiem utofidiem na hwe o se timu nzori bio aka sempa kiro tie ne kika confirm tie
what is say dwanyu ni ahyen na wode na duane free chichiri ba
oba pate say enwani ni ahyen you know ode
read duane free chichiri ba ade nyanchen ya na wasore
ko ade nyanchen ya no
na wasore ko na wa mani fefu aduane na wa ma ne mawa enwuma
read the word
wode afuo ho na oto na
odwene afuo
ho na oto.
Thank you very much.
Na ode ne nsa ano aba ye bobeturo.
Thank you.
Na ode ahode bonasene.
What obaba I'm telling you. What the ahode bonasene.
Na wo hye na basa mu de.
I like that verse that says that adie nyanchen ye no. Na was sorry. Oh yeah. Adie o pebe yirima emrante ya bebe de nwene no anu mo hwe etu akese hips akese nufutebrebe openufa ye jegu nanum a ne mfurumu beyema tianie asi nufu bia nu nufu one piece nufu ne e de something hwe ho se etim one te yeah make some jira mo fe na otodo papa so ye te senufu egu manum na wani hane no eno na ape tianie anganya me adwen fa njira yeah make some jira wa fe na ejere say nufu tebrebe eno na mope eno na mope obeti mi defra no part 12 was frɛ your ura no mame mo je wa che bere me wei
na wawie wo na wo ba betua mascara tua eyelash extension wo na betua hair aba betua nails aba betua wo na wo betua we
papa utu furu tedi gina be ka chem se na wo de pia bontie ye
any was bunko to was we answer chira
o yare bontiapo maybe my grandma maybe I'm so when we were bapano now Proverbs 20 verse 6 will be say well man no kwafo one be a faithful man who can find do you know Proverbs 20 verse 6 quickly we don't have the time let us go
any bebre come on ara wadoye no bebre no kwafo de
who can find it, you know we are look at the end you know sometimes and oftentimes my feelings need and we make the choice by feelings as I be and no na would make a decision you will miss it but do when you do him cano those people can never be swayed away. They will be ordered by the Lord. Their steps will be navigated by the grace of God for them to make a spiritually inclined and a purpose driven decision. I'm going to say that again. The Spirit of God is going to guide you to be able to make a spiritually inclined and a purpose driven decision because at the end for better, for words, for a lifetime. Me papa wo me and me mami wo me, they have been together for almost 70 over 70 years. Yeah, over 70 together. Together. That is marriage. You are going to grow old together. There are many people that have been married for over 80 years or more. And if they've been married for that long, it tells you it's not only going to be the glitter and the glamour, you are also going to see a tantania all together is going to come. It to pako ya wo akwakwa wo miensa monye mo ho ade amote no ye nhira no ma mo so attacks free left and right eba mo so no me pese me chire u solution no wodi ji na chia ji ni de eba agiebo no I'm telling you the word of God ebe funo Menam kachiro. Ye bisa womo aware be 20 years ekono that they don't have sex all the time. It is a way move to me atena dem kura be 1 month and it doesn't even come into your mind. The reason is because marriage is for purpose and marriage is not sex and sex is not marriage. Me pesa woti ase na we relationship no woti ase na and mini bra me pesa Reverend na yourself to us ntim me fa we ntwam na me mpo wo de homa be ma bra wonye ho ade obefa ukwa me a bema na make some chiro. We don't homa bema when you want dear. That's go me one dear. When you're too mudery. Tia Samno, we're too mude. Nanka me say Obremi Mercedes Benz. Now cause me say me test the car. No, me call N1 so me say there be me to me I'm feeling ye me person me do cook mase. E ko check ni yo. Na me de cook mase na me di ho be say na otwe me nsa. Na mo frɛ me na me say na kan was so me go so to ne ma na me test me wi a me de beba. Wo beba betua. Mercedes na tena me nchen for 3 weeks. Me go so try. One ka betua. There be me tua. Metumu de wie eti wani abre obi be kase sofo sanse ma o kan ne enemre be ma be no ba be tena ho ama ina amfu echinka foma obetimi ata mo de mo ntoso nkomu nse hunu no mo ntena I'm telling you we can say you are wiser than God. Yeah, mama nka sam chiro e ma te se apple so a esense nua so but we be dua na se ne na bi atete agu fom e mema no ebetimi asesa na agu fom but the mema no a ye kan wo ho asem Proverbs 20 verse 6 no omon sesa na agu fom na da bi wo be furu dua no akote I'm telling you edu unse omo esesa ne apro wo fom no wo makoma no te se I'm telling you but the wo be furu dua na kwakotibi no na ni abre wo hunu wo wo ya wo som na wa ba befro e de aba betewo se wani abre pa na pese wo nana no mma enya asomdua wo gina ye no wo si nne no e wo nsunsu aso e wo mma ene wo nana no ne wo nana nkanso anom so daache etifeye emayi no
just 1 second.
It is an euphoria that will just dissipate. I'm telling you the word of God. It will be a way up at your man. Until down consuming be nano pain one for mobra. But yes, some neighbor me person catch it all. And son will be to me. I'm making a spirit inclined and a purpose driven decision concerning marriage and relationship. I just wouldn't him Christo. Send you and then a crashing. I just said, I'm telling you, you will be led by the Spirit of God. The Spirit of God Himself is going to navigate your course and order your steps in His word. What else no mekano? It Bible says, you know, any part one and tabonifa kwamunua when you na fair the fatena ya na want to fair the fatena now any can you that dimra we didn't where we are near not Joe or best dear wetim the subontino na aba empo adia bia obey including making a decision for marriage, you know, and for posterity. The assembly banner about me person catch it will be said. Someone good to Winipamua, Winipano, Ayana Sun Century, someone good or Bifa Christo. Yet the Yeni run in the crowd. I'm telling you, you are going to enjoy marriage for the rest of your life. Ladies and gentlemen, as I bring my submission to a close, I am telling everybody under the reach of the sound of my voice, the assembly, and Kabeden will be better in Bema Quatana or Baba Quatana for over 70 years on furniture. There is something in God that is rooted in God. I'm telling you, it didn't work out with Philip Fongma. It didn't Philippians chapter 4, verse number 8. Thank you. And son will be the casa me pewono or was for Junis Aniame. Sanka ni be me too. And son will be the catcher of some pewamo penesono. I was so Junin Niema will see the idea children. It is a nippon to me or Yano Quafu. Who was a mewama samai and so was a cause any panel or be our gang young mareno tia someone make a catcher on a truth one uno musanya and a winyano. I'm telling you, was it the Yano could the enemy drew the enemy would draw you want to impact set or brapa son or becasema peneso. E was the checking near my way. The assembly and I name Crawford Manti to me or bafu phone, you know, nufu and then you know, and nakedness, not the good phone, so pornography. Abraonen a today. You are seeing the nakedness of your wife. You are we shut it. We'll be intimate country. We shut it, Papa. I'm telling you. Or pornography, no, I was in a year near pornography. Make us a matter of one pornography, no, more active, a act. Cameras, you almost so. Baba Befu will be back catching some funny season Kubu. When is in the brew and as at the end, can I worry myself Baba be Junkumia, Abby Bubumi, and I saw Baba Hemidi. When him not for moo. Now, when Nick Christo said, man, you beat me a pornography and wagon, say. It didn't make come for Christo, made any china when the man will pay, which in our come up on a cheap boom, or be him no man up bemoa, or bemo and Wabetun said, me and trust Yami, I don't know your water, ye buy a baba betwas me man, I watch me in Nupe. Now, young film. Suko nam from Swabia and Kesu and himself Okoyenkanya more my so and catch there is a damage control. The grace of God will help us when righteousness becomes a lifestyle. Breakthroughs, it becomes automatic. Mameno Mompai, it was say so Namubru Hunia Dumbe Swatu and India Chile now Baseshia, yes, me Bompai what he has for Jesus demo. There will be what it was maybe as some Nobemana Bajuma. Now what me a CC and a na breno sadia tia bia wunya de wo ma ebegyina kyere ben bone nka wo mo hawo ebi men wo mo ntoma dan wo de wo mo besi de ekron na de da obi akoma soma ne mrem obi a wahye dwa no pa mi wura mani dwa obi a wakotu niema ebeton eka yifiri ne so ne famfa so de ehia no ebom paye wo Yesu nim se efisem awadesem wankasa obema na china ebra ye wo mu yankasa awade bebre are struggling every say nipa bebre wo chire wo mo pressure bemu nso a na ebufu obemu nkrunkrum bram na sha nwan wonyam ekosi ase me da wase se wa fiti adwuma pa se na de be kwa wie papa ti asefo Jesus dey mo obia wa yamfom so na wonya yanke bresa kwa na chire manipa ni munu se woni na dida so na se bia se widam kura wani da so we twa ne so supampenti ha wa san fefe dia ene ma won san fefe biu e wo Jesus na sire ni no edimo afa me bompa ye etu o man pani ene wo men sha wonsa coronavirus baby edro bi awurade hye won wonyamu e Jesus na sure ni dimo e bom paye ma Dr. Kwame Che his honor and the Unity Group of Companies ni nabusia e bobi e de ma Reverend Nana ya usafa we breshu bo franka wunyame wetu e de nenam wiase baby ama abasa enhia ne so ne ho kani ne ma o ma mi onuanu bom paye de makara be yefo na we Yesu dimo ma wadansi die entomo so wo mo egu na due mu prison dum wo mo egu asupiti kosaya de miwura efa hye odi anu onyam ye hye wanu onyam se ade ne be di aboa wo ma ewie oyi ti asefo Jesus de mo eni asere yenu mu na adomo etuntwente amen.
Amen.